Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to transfer money from US Bank to PayPal. You need to go to your PayPal app to do this because in this app you have to add your bank account via PayPal. You need to click this option right here once you have logged in in your your PayPal account. Once you have logged in your PayPal account, you will see a lot of options. You need to find this option called Add to Wallet, and once you click this option, you need to click this option right here called Banks. You need to click right here and then, or simply click this option called Debit and Credit Cards and add your information about your bank or credit card or debit card right here. Once you link your card or bank, you need to select which bank is this. Okay, in this case is use bank. You need to find right here. You need to do a search, and then here you go. You need to accept the terms, and once you have and you have been at your bank, you need to add money to uh, to, to have a PayPal balance. And this is it. I hope this video was helpful. Please comment and subscribe.